Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5317 Westlake Road on beautiful Conesus Lake. This is a spectacular and charming English stone cottage with 78 feet of lake-level waterfront. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. You feel like you're in England on the lake when entering this special stonefront home. This charming architectural masterpiece could be from the pages of Architectural Digest. This property features beautiful elegance with British coziness, wrapped in one inviting lake house. From the entrance, you are warmly greeted by a great room featuring a stone wall and exposed wood beams, with wood floors and a gas stove. Open from the great room is a dining area and kitchen with custom cherry cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and those spectacular lake views. The style is cottage charm, making every lake gathering feel effortlessly special, yet full of British country lake whimsy. The hallmark of this special lake home is this amazing sunroom. The sunlight pours into the sunroom like liquid gold, making the wood ceiling and floors reflect the lake hue. Just off the great room is a den or another living area with a full bath. The excitement continues upstairs, featuring 2 bedrooms and a bath, with custom woodwork and lake views. The quality craftsmanship, both outside and inside, is evident in the details. This amazing waterfront has it all. Enjoy the amazing exterior landscaping with beautiful plants, flowers, and stone patio areas. Feel the summer breeze off the lake. This beautiful lake-level waterfront features 78 feet with a shale beach, dock, and million-dollar views. In addition, this beautiful property has an amazing apartment featuring a living kitchen area with views of the lake, plus a bedroom and bath. You could have it all with this Conesus Lake dream home. This property has a premier west side location named Cotton Cove. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Lakeville, with great restaurants, shopping, and parks. Nearby is SUNY Geneseo, a great college, and Letchworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5317 Westlake Road on beautiful Conesus Lake. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.